to transfer data from iPhone into the Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all, on your iPhone, you have to go for the App Store and you will have to download that Samsung Smart Switch application. This is the application that we are going to use. And you have to also do the same on your Samsung Galaxy A57. You have to open the Galaxy Store and download Smart Switch Mobile application. Now let's start from a Samsung and open this application. First of all, we have to click continue and accept all of those permissions. Click to allow and now select to receive on this phone, of course. Select a source, so iPhone/iPad, and now don't select that connection method, just move into your iPhone. Click continue for everything that will pop up on your screen. We have to accept all of those permissions, but we have to do this one by one. It's not available to accept everything with a one button press. We just have to go for it, keep tapping one by one, and now we can click here. And now on the both smartphones, select, for example, wireless method. I can recommend you this one, you don't have to connect any cables. And now we have to scan the QR code with our iPhone on this Galaxy A57. Now we have to join for this specific network. Now it's gonna be connected with each one. Just a few seconds. Also, what is important that you have to make sure that you are connected, that your battery is like above 25 or 30% to finish this process. And now you can basically select everything that you want to transfer. But if you don't want to transfer everything, you can select some specific things. So if I want to only select some specific videos, like for example this one, I can just select and click done. And now you will have to click on the transfer button, wait for this process, just a few seconds, and now as you can see, the transfer is finished. We can find this information on the iPhone, but just wait a little bit, the 1 minute left on the Samsung, and that's how we can actually do this.